I've improved it. There we go. I've improved it by adding a loop-de-loop, this thing that sends us up, and this. Now I'm going in the next video. I'm going to try and improve upon this concept by adding some more stuff. Like if I put some stuff on there like enemies to bounce on top of to improve this. So let me demonstrate not trying to own everything like that. If you feel like that, that's not right. So you have to concentrate. Well, it's gonna keep failing like that. So you have to check the shadow. A good tip here is the shadow. I know it looks broken, but it's just the name Sonic's Island Adventure instead of Planet. So this doesn't look like planets. If you bounce at the right time, you can catch that loop and go really fast. You know? Then I do this, and I'm thinking of implementing some other stuff, like maybe an enemy here to bounce off of and not die like there. So could be better. And I could try and shorten that big thing to make it easier, like harder for people. Here it looks like I'm doing one shot easiness, but what I'm remembering is tips on how to do it. I'm thinking very distinct things. I look like I'm owning the thing, but really it's kind of hard to do. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this small time. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna upload this tomorrow. I don't even know what tomorrow is. Okay, I'm gonna try and upload this as fast as I possibly can because it looks really nice and this is a new concept I made. So yeah, guys, bye. And I'll probably also add some more stuff.